This video, we're going to show you how to self-massage your jaw muscles to help with any pain you're having in the jaw, as well as headache pain and any dysfunction at the TMJ. So on the sides of your jawbone right here at the angle, there's a bunch of muscles that are actually pretty big. And so what you can do is first just feel along that muscle and find any tight, tender points in that muscle. And in that area, you can either just hold some pressure and feel it gently release, or you can do little circles, or the muscle fibers run relatively up and down. So you could go up and down through that muscle to self-massage. You can do both at the same time. And you want to also find the muscles up here in your temple. These are the muscles that help close your jaw. So if you're clenching a lot or grinding your teeth, this muscle can get kind of tight. And it's a big fan-shaped muscle, so it kind of comes along this way. So you're going to start just above your eyebrows in the temple area, and you can kind of self-massage and move around until you find little tender points. And again, you can either hold that pressure there and feel it gently release, or you can do little circles or up and down, whatever feels good. And you can go all the way through back by your ears. This muscle also comes up a little higher in your hairline too. So you want to massage, find these areas, and you can use multiple fingers at once and massage on both sides. And as you're massaging all of these muscles, you want to think about relaxing your jaw, letting it hang open as you're massaging. Obviously, if you're clenching and you're trying to massage, you're going to be massaging a tight muscle, so that's not going to be helpful. So think about relaxing your jaw, maybe even doing some mouth breathing while you're in this position to help relax the jaw, and massaging all the way through the temple and these muscles here. Now there's also some in the back here that are a little harder to get, but if you find this angle of your jaw, you can gently take one finger and slowly rotate it in to massage along this back area here that can be pretty tight and uncomfortable. You just want to be careful that you're not pressing on any veins or vasculature through the neck here. So if you feel a pulse, you're not in the right place. So you want to start off on the actual jawbone, on that angle of the jaw, and slowly work your way around. And using just one finger, gently push towards your front teeth. And you can feel some gentle release there. Again, you want to think about letting your jaw hang open. And maybe even if you're working on the right side, letting your jaw deviate to the opposite side, so deviating to the left as you're stretching that muscle. This one you'd want to do one at a time. And doing both at the same time can be a little bit uncomfortable, so just do one at a time. Now you can also massage on the inside of your mouth as well. And this is where you would want to, you can just use washed hands on yourself if you'd like, or you can use gloves. So what you're going to do is get your fingers on the inside between your teeth and your cheek. And you're gonna find that area. So we had that muscle over here, we were working on the outside. Now you're gonna work on it from the inside. So in between your teeth and your cheek, you'll find the bone if you go far enough back. And you're gently going to do this with your finger, kind of curling it and stretching it in kind of an arc motion. Starting from the back, circling around to the front. And you can stretch from the inside. And you also want to stretch all the way through to the front of your teeth. So starting at the bottom, start here. And gently start from the back, swoop your way around following that bottom ledge into the center. And you'll feel some tension and tightness and some discomfort. You're also going to repeat on the top. So this time you're going to be on the top teeth, between the teeth and the cheek. Slowly swooping around, following that ridge from the back to the front, gently giving a little bit of a tug as you're coming back through. So working on massaging from the outside and then massaging from the inside. These can be a little bit silly, so you want to probably do this by yourself. You can get in front of a mirror so you can watch. But the more you do it, the more comfortable it'll get. And don't be too aggressive. These are small muscles, so you want to start off lightly because we don't want to cause any headaches.